The power's out and I'm making some soup. So I've got some celery here, 2 white onions. I'm gonna crush some garlic, some tomatoes. Let's make some soup. Today we're gonna be cooking by flashlight. Celery. Oh, I gotta turn the heat up. Good thing we have gas too, because in a power outage, we really wouldn't be cooking. We'd be out grilling, and you can't grill right now because they're cutting a tree down that fell on our house. All right, we're gonna add our onion. Ooh. Give this a little stir. I just added a little garlic. Just give it a little stir. I'm just gonna cook this down, and then I'm gonna throw my chicken breasts in there with some water and seasonings. I'm just gonna throw some chicken breasts straight in. We've got black pepper, red chili pepper flakes, cumin, coriander, oregano, then garlic powder, chili powder, and chicken bouillon. I also cut up 1 jalapeno. Now we're going to start with 4 cups of water. We just need to add enough water until the chicken is covered. I'm going to add 4 more cups. Okay, that should be good. Throw our bay leaves in and then just get it to a boil and simmer for about an hour and a half. All right, so the soup has been cooking for about 2 hours. At this point, we're going to remove our chicken breasts. So I have a bowl of tomatoes I just chopped up. It's about 4 Roma tomatoes. And then in the same bowl that the Roma tomatoes are in, because again, we're in the middle of a power outage, so I'm trying to do the least amount of dishes. So, oh my god, I put the bowl over there. So we want to put the chicken in the bowl. Let me bring this over, hold on. So I need to do this quick, because I want to show you guys. It's so easy and it's so yummy to make, but my phone's dying. So, and I actually went through my backup batteries already. So, as you can see, the chicken's starting to shred. So that's how you know, like when it starts to do that, that's when you want to take the chicken out and add the tomatoes in. Okay, take it all. I think I don't. There's 1 more piece. Okay, so we'll just shred the chicken up and we'll get this back to boiling. We'll boil this for about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, and then we'll add that shredded chicken into it. At this point, you want to add any seasonings like extra salt, extra chili powder. I'm going to add some more black beans. And then this is where you'd also want to add your corn. But again, power's out and I don't have any corn and I'm not going to the store. It's dark out. I am holding this flashlight with my chin. Here is the chicken. So the beans and the tomatoes have cooked for about 15 minutes. We're going to add the chicken into the pot and then just stir everything together and serve it up. All you need is a little bit of fresh lemon juice and maybe a little more salt or chili peppers. You can top it with some avocado and jalapenos, but just make sure to add some lemon. And it's really yummy. You can also add carrots. I just don't eat carrots, so that's why there's none in here. There's usually carrots in here. Let's remove our bay leaves. Yeah, it's just a nice, simple soup. Oh, we have another bay leaf there. Okay. Really yummy. Now we can turn the heat off and it's ready to serve up.